জনরব মিডিয়া, জনতার কথা বলে।
নমস্কার, আপনারা দেখছেন জনরব মিডিয়া। 23শে ফেব্রুয়ারি সল্টলেকের এক অভিজাত হোটেলের লাউঞ্জে এমবি ক্লাসিক এক সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে এমবি ক্লাসিকের ডিরেক্টর পিউ মজুমদার, প্রমোটার মৈনাক ব্যানার্জি, গগন সচদেব, ভিনীত ব্যাপটিস্ট, অজয় হেলা, ইরান ব্যানার্জি, সঞ্জয় মুনি এবং শুভঙ্কর ও অন্যান্য সদস্যরা উপস্থিত ছিলেন। এদিন জানা গেল 27শে ফেব্রুয়ারি কলকাতার অ্যাকোয়াটিকাতে এক সর্বভারতীয় প্রতিযোগিতা হতে চলেছে। এমবি ক্লাসিক এই অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজক। বডি বিল্ডিংয়ের পাশাপাশি এই প্রতিযোগিতায় থাকছে জুম্বা ফিটনেস। আবেদনকারীরা অনলাইনে আবেদন করবেন। পূর্ব ভারতের বিভিন্ন প্রান্ত থেকে অ্যাথলেটিক্সরা আবেদন করেছেন এবং তারা এই প্রতিযোগিতায় অংশগ্রহণ করছে। পুরস্কারের মূল্য 3 লক্ষ টাকা। 23শে ফেব্রুয়ারি সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে যে বক্তব্য উঠে এলো তা দর্শকদের জন্য তুলে ধরা হলো। চলুন আমরা পৌঁছে যাই কলকাতার অভিজাত এক হোটেলের লাউঞ্জে।
About NB Classic. If I say NB Classic is a lockdown baby, isn't that sound strange? Lockdown baby? Yes. When our industry and other industries faced 2020 lockdown and we were at home, I got a call from one young chap and he said, Iranidi, I want to do an event. I said, what? The trainers are crying. Those people who are business oriented people in this industry, they are selling sanitizers rather than dumbbells. And you're talking about what? You're talking about the event? Men's physique and done before. He put it in a very simple word. Iranidi, I want to bring MB Classic into the glamour industry. I said, wow. Now, doing সেই বাংলা, যে বাংলায় আমরা অগন্তি মিস্টার ইন্ডিয়া পেয়েছি বডি বিল্ডিংয়ে, সেই বাংলা, যে বাংলার ছেলেরা জিমে যাওয়াটা বা আখড়ায় যাওয়াটা তাদের একটা নেশা, প্যাশন, বাবার কাছ থেকে মার খেয়ে পয়সা চুরি করে জিমে যাচ্ছে, সেই বাংলা এই কুড়িতে এত পিছিয়ে পড়েছে, not just bodybuilding but in all the games. So before going for anything more or anything less, let us start the press conference. Anybody has any questions? We have got our experts over here. You are free to.
And thank you all the respected people here. So yes, MB Classic is definitely, this is a baby, we can say. This is the first season we are coming with. Definitely we have planned the whole of MB Classic during the lockdown when there was a lot of suffering in 2020. Then that was the time we were thinking about the athletes, we were thinking about the industry, how to make this industry grow even bigger and bigger. And definitely Eastern India is one of the place where we have a lot of athletes, and this is the scope for MB Classic, to bring something for the athletes. And of course we have the stalwarts of the industry, the who's who. They are all doing very, very good job in Eastern India, and we wanted MB Classic to do even, add one more, one more option for the athletes, for the sportsmen, for the entire gym industry, fitness industry to come forward and lend their hands and make this even bigger. This mic to Mr. Gagan Sachdev, and if you'd like to share a few words on this day.
We here today evening in the seen ups and downs during the past 1.5 years. With this pandemic hitting our country, the businesses have suffered, so has the industry suffered, and the people attached to the industry, all the athletes, the trainers, the health club owners, the gym goers, the gym lovers, the fitness lovers of Calcutta and West Bengal, rather the whole of India, has actually suffered. And this is, I would say, a wonderful milestone, which I'm sure our friends Mainak, they are doing wonderfully well, and they are going to organize a fantastic show here. This will give a great moral boost to the industry. At the same time, will also elevate the enthusiasm of hundreds and thousands of athletes present here.
बड़े बिग शॉट यहाँ बैठे हैं गगन सचदेव. So a very big round of applause for GS first. Guys, a very big round of applause. The director of Bodyline Sports. Okay, thank you so much Mainakda and Piyu Majumdar for taking me in as one of the members of MB Classic. And I'm really happy that you have given the opportunity to the Eastern India people to enjoy, entertain. That's it. I have nothing to say more. I have all the seniors sitting with me, so I will pass on the mic to Ivan.
About this MB Classic, the first idea was it is not just a bodybuilding show. It's about inspiring people. Like if somebody, a spectator comes in, watches the show and like he's inspired to be a fit person, he has achieved what he wants to, and we have all done the same thing too. So this is the thing which excited me about MB Classic and I wanted to be a part of it.
The entire panel of MB Classic, and as time and again it's repeated that during the pandemic the entire fitness industry as a whole suffered a lot, and now that's our opportunity because of Mainak and Piyu and the entire MB Classic team. The entire fitness industry will come back stronger, I'm 100% sure, with this event. So all the best to the entire team. Thank you.
That's what mainly the media people look out for, who's a celebrity in this gathering. So I told them that the entire fitness and bodybuilding industry members are celebrities here. Okay, so this is an event which is actually the property of West Bengal. The West Bengal Bodybuilding and Fitness Fraternity owns MB Classic, and all the, let's say, people who are attached to the fitness and bodybuilding fraternity here in Bengal are celebrities and stakeholders of this event. So MB Classic amader shobar, it is a gift from Bengal to the fitness industry across India, right my friend Shavla? Yes. That's what we decided originally. Yes. So we have all the big shots here, and this is a gift from Bengal to rest of India, bodybuilding and fitness.
আপনারা দেখছিলেন জনরব মিডিয়া। আবার আসছি অন্য খবর নিয়ে। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, ভালো রাখুন।